Hello everyone, my name is Hana Sharma and I'm back with a new topic, lists in Python. So let's get started. Now first of all, we will give the heading lists in Python. Okay. Now okay and then run. Now lists are used to store multiple values in one single variable. So now first of all, we will learn how to create a list. So creating a list. Okay. Now heading uh, and okay, run. Okay, now we will make a variable and to represent the list we use square brackets and we will store some numbers in it. So this is our list and we print it a and then we'll print the type because we want to know which type it is. So over here we have got our type list. Okay. Now we will see that if the list allow duplicates. Okay, allow duplicates. Okay, let's check that if the list allow duplicates. So if I'm taking a variable a and then making the list and with such water comma slide comma paper comma slide comma papers comma water. Like this we have done. Now I have to print it, print a. So yes, this can allow duplicates list, allows duplicates because we can say slide two times here, paper two times and water also two times. Now we will see how many data types can we use to make a list. Okay, let's give the heading data types. Okay, now we make a variable a1 with some numbers like this, and then a2 with some strings. These were integers and these are strings. So now b and then a3 with some floating point numbers like this one number, and then a4 with the complex numbers 2 plus 3j plus 10j and plus 6j like this. And for the fifth one, we will use some boolean values that are true and false. Maybe again true like this, and a6 with all of them like uh, then we have some complex numbers. Okay, not this. Now maybe 2 plus 3. J and then the boolean value. Okay, now we will use the print function. Print a1 and then copy like this. So we have got all of them. So we can use integers, strings, floating point numbers, then complex numbers, boolean values, and all of them together also. Okay, now let's learn about access items, in which we use to do indexing of lists. Okay, so let's do the indexing. We will make a variable e and then give the same value, this value. Okay, and over here we will paste this, and now we'll like print e brackets, and then we will write the index number. Maybe I want to print at 2, so I will get the number 3. Over here it's 3. Now maybe if I want to 0, so we have got 1. If I just copy this and write -2, so I'll get true, because this is -1, then this is -2. Okay, so this is how we have done the indexing. So this is 0, then 1, then so on. Okay, now we will learn about how to change the items in a particular list. Change, changing the items. Okay, now let's give this as a heading also. Okay, now we will just paste this. Okay, just copy v, and over here we will make a variable w maybe, and then we'll write print. Okay, so we will write w, then we will write our the index position. Maybe I want to change 3, so it's at the index position 2, and then want to change it to maybe a red, and then I have to print the w. Now if I print it, I've got 1, 2, and then red, not 3. Okay, now if we do the same with another example, if I want to change the this value, so this is at index position 7, maybe 7. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Okay, this is 9. So index position 9, and I want to change it to minus 9. So I've got over here minus 9. Now changing the range of the item's value. Okay, we have to change the range of the item's value. Now we have the same, sorry, yes, we have the same list and we want to just change it. Okay, just fix this. It will show an error. Over here we will write Q and then we will write over here, like we have done slicing before, so we have to just start from the uh, second place, means 3, and then till this is n plus 1, so we have to write if we want to change from the 2 to 5, so this is 3 4 and then this is 5, so we have to write over here index position 6, and then I have to write whatever I want to give, like book, paper, and maybe pen. Okay, now if I print Q, so I have over here got books, paper, pen over here. From here to here, I have got books, paper, pen. Okay, so I can do one more thing over here. Maybe from 0 position to 3, I want to give this only. If I run this, books, paper, pen, apple, banana, and then so on, it's written. Okay, now we will learn about the slicing of lists, slicing of lists. Okay, now let's give this as a heading. Now we will take the same list, maybe like this one. Copy, and over here we have written the variable d and paste. So this is our list. We have to slice the list. We'll write print and then the variable, and then we want to start slicing from 0 position till 7th position. So we'll see this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so we will get till here 5. If we want it till 7, we have to write 8. Okay, because it's n plus 1. Okay, so I'll get till here. Now if we just enter it, we'll get till here. Okay, because this is n plus 1, so if we want till 7th position, we have to write 8. And if I just copy this only and paste it here, and if I even want to jump, like if I want to start from 1 and I have to start from 0 only, and okay, 0 only, and then I have to jump 1 step, so I have to write 2. Okay, if I run this, so here I've got the result. So 1, then skip 2 3, then skip apple, then banana, then skip 2.3 and then skip 2.3 and then got this and then skip this, and I've written it till 8 means till 7. So over here it's ended, and it till here if I want to do 10 it will be 11. We've got till here. This whole is 10, the range is 10, so this is like this. Okay, if we want to find the list, the length, okay, finding the GHD length of a list. Okay, now let's give this as a heading, and finding the length of a list I will do. Now to find the length we will take the same example, and then we want to find, okay, just find the length of this list, so we'll write print length and then C. Now we have got the uh, length 12, so let's count it manually. 1 2 no sorry 0 1 2 3 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then this is 9, then 10, and then this is 11. Okay, now to take out the length, 0 is nothing, it's null. So the computer has started the numbering from 1. So this is 1, then 2, then 3, then this apple is 4, then banana 5, 2.36, 56.7897, 2 plus 3j 8, 45 plus 67j is 9, 78 plus 67j is 10, and true is 12, and false is 13. Sorry, true is 11 and false is 12. Like this it worked. Okay. Now if we want to add uh, any value in the list, so how can we do that? So adding an item, okay, item in a list space and then heading, okay, and run. Now we will take the same list, okay, and now we will just like this, and then we have to add an item. We'll write a the variable point append add what we have to add, maybe -9, and then we will print a. So here -9 is added. Okay, so if we want to add any item, so we will write this keyword append. Okay, let's take one more example, and let's try this with a string. I want to write cherry, so we have got over here cherry, and if we just add the same number, will it be added? Like over here it's already written 2.3. If I again write 2.3, so again the 2.3 will be added. Okay, now if I want to remove anything, so how can I do that? remove an item from the list. Okay. Okay, now let's give this as a heading. Removing an item from a list. So we will just make a variable s and then copy this much only. Copy and then over here paste. So over here we will write s point remove, and what we have to remove, maybe we have to remove 78 plus 67j, and then we will print s. Okay, so this complex number has been removed from the list. Okay, and then maybe the list contains two same values like true over here, and if I write over here trua, so any of them will not be removed because the computer gets confused that which one is to be removed. And if there is not a duplicate, the okay, so now okay, not this one, not the boolean values, we will just write it with 2.3. Okay, 2.3. Now one of the 2.3 is removed, which was at the first after banana, but this 2.3 after 2 plus 3j is not removed. So it removes one, any one if there are two duplicates. Okay, now if I want to reverse an item, saying an item from the list. Oh, sorry, not reversing an item, reversing the list. Reversing the list. Okay, now heading, okay, and then run. Now reversing a list, and then I have to maybe the same list I will copy, paste, and then just remove everything. Now we'll write a dot reverse and then 0. We have to write till -1. Okay, now print a. Okay, invalid syntax. Okay, oh yes, I just forgot. Yes, this is reversed. Now this list is reversed totally because the false was at -1 position, but now it is at 0 position. The false is starting the list and 1 is now ending the list. Okay, let's take one more example. Let's copy this statement only and paste it here. I want there's something else like if this is our list, so it will be reversed paste, and now this will be reversed from starting the one and ending from false. So this is how we have done the concept of list reversing, And now the last topic is how to add all the numbers in the list. So adding, okay, adding all the numbers in a list. Okay, let's give this as a heading and run. Okay, now first, for doing this, we will use the for loop. Okay, so first of all, we have our paste this list. We have this list. Okay, now we have to add all these numbers. First, we need to know the length. Okay, print length a. The length is 12. We have to make a variable r, maybe any variable with the value 0, and then use the for loop for I in uh, range, and then we will give the length as the range, and then we will do the a is equals to a plus uh, a plus r, no, r is equals to r plus a, and then I, we have then I is equals to I plus 1, and then we will print the sum of the list is, and then we'll put a comma and r. Now the sum of list is 55. We'll get 1 plus 3 plus a plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus and plus 9 plus 10 plus. So over here our answer is 55, and we have got also 55. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you. Let me get new topics for you.